Hi, my name is Matt Hansknecht. I'm looking for some technical help. I purchased this NX10 in May, and I got it. I initially registered it, and on May 16th, I downloaded the 3.13b.10 airware, loaded it up, and I lost all sounds. There were no sounds that would work with the system. After tinkering, trying to figure out what was wrong, I did a factory reset, but it still looked like it kept the 3.13b airware firmware in there. On May 29th, I loaded the 3.13.09 update. That seemed to fix it, but now I'm having issues with when it powers up, it comes up with no sound. I have to turn it off and then power it back on again to get the sound to work. So I don't know what the issue is there, but here we go. So I'm going to hit the power button. And you could tell there was nothing came up and on there. And I'm going to try and get this to focus. I don't know how to do that. Why are you not focusing? But right here in the middle, there's like a yield sign with an exclamation point in the middle of it. I don't know what that means, but here I can flip my switches that would normally be for AS3X or throttle cut, and nothing's happening. But I'll power it off. Now I'll power it back on, and hopefully, so now that little yield sign with the exclamation point is gone. Now when I flip my switches,
throttle cut off, throttle cut on, safe mode, AS3X mode.
So it's got to be something with the update, and if you guys can help me, because I really don't want to have to go through the hassle of returning this to you over something that should be able to be fixed. So give me your input. I'd really appreciate it so we can get this corrected before I keep loading more airplanes onto it. Thank you so much. Bye.